Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, this video is very important for you because recently Amazon and Flipkart sale is running on and you can buy this tablet at a very enticing price. Actually, I was surprised to see the offers, so I just thought that it is my duty to inform you about the latest pricing of Tab S9 FE Plus. So I have checked Amazon as well as Flipkart. In Amazon, I saw that there is no offer actually in Tab S9 FE Plus. So you can buy this tablet at around 46,000 rupees. That is not an offer. I think you should not buy Tab S9 FE Plus from Amazon.in. Here the pricing is very higher. Then I checked in Flipkart and I was amazed by the offers and pricing. You can see that the Wi-Fi version is available at 31,000 rupees and also you will get great cashback with SBI card. So if you have SBI card, then in that case you will get cashback of around 5,300 rupees. So you can buy the Wi-Fi version under 26,000 rupees. That is insane. You should definitely buy this tablet if you want to buy. Then I checked the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Wi-Fi plus 5G version, 6GB 128GB version, and I saw that the effective price is 35,999 rupees and after cashback of 4,975 the effective price will be around 31,024 rupees. That's a great offer actually. Actually, Tab S9 FE Plus is a great device. It comes with 12.4 inches LCD display and you will enjoy multimedia contents on this display. Also, HDR content on this display looks amazing. Though it is not an AMOLED one, you will not feel any kind of disappointment with this display. This tablet is ideal for multimedia consumption and the stereo speaker is an added advantage for you to have a great stereo speaker experience. You can use S Pen that comes free of cost inside the box and it has 5G, so you can use it with your SIM card. Only the processor of this tablet is an Exynos one, that is 1380 processor. So in terms of processor, it is not as powerful as Snapdragon 778G that is inside Tab S7 FE. I think Tab S9 FE Plus should have a Snapdragon processor. However, that is not the matter of this video. If you want a bigger display and want to have great battery life, and if you are looking for offers, so this is the best offer where you can buy Tab S9 FE Plus at an enticing price. Currently, this device is the best device that you can buy at a price point around 30k mark. I think the price will be increased after tonight. So if you are really in need of a tablet, you should definitely check out this tablet or buy this tablet at the earliest opportunity, because when many users will be attracted to this tablet, the price will definitely increase, and this is a bad habit of Flipkart of increasing the price of high demand products. A lot of users were actually asking me about the right price and the right offers, so this is the offer. So you can definitely buy Tab S9 FE Plus. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel. Share this video, and if you have any questions regarding this tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.